This is a genuine MG TF bonnet latch. I bought 4 of them second hand. I've cleaned them up, they've cleaned up quite nicely, they're all functional. I've got a few bits missing, but I need to adapt them for my car, and what I'm going to do might shock and disturb some genuine TF owners, and I apologise up front for this. So yeah, a bit brutal, but nevertheless it had to be done. And the reason it had to be done is because I am wanting to mount these modified latches onto some box section steel. Originally I thought I was just going to weld all around it, but that would mean it would just be actually stuck in one place. The box section is going to run down the full length of the top edge of the side panels where they meet the bonnet. So that's the new framework, and that's how the catch needs to sit. But welding it in place was going to be not desirable really, because you've got to get it right first time when you put the panels on. It's all got to line up. So I wanted a different way of doing it. What I've come up with is this, and these are the same latches, but I've welded some wings on the side here, and it's got a couple of pilot holes in there. It's got 4 pilot holes in. So what will happen is this will be offered up to the box section steel, and you can move it up and down the box section steel so you can get it in exactly the right place. When it's in the right place, I can then drill through these holes here into the box section steel and attach them with some riv nuts. So the beauty of that is I'll be able to remove these and have them zinc passivated, so they'll look just like the original one, and when you open the bonnet all you'll see is the top of it anyway, so it should look just like the original TF.